We're 28 days in now. That's 4 weeks of working out if you've been doing it from the very beginning, 1 video a day until now. So I've got a challenge for you. After you finish working out this video, go outside and go for a little walk, even if it's just 10 steps to the door or to the road, and then head back in. If you live in an apartment complex or something small, you just have to walk to the front entrance and back into your room. That's all you need to do. We're gonna slowly add a little bit more movement to our day. All right, are you ready to start our low intensity interval training workout? 45 seconds of movement, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. All right, let's make some moves in minutes. The workout begins in 15 seconds, so feet slightly apart from your shoulder width, slight bend, sit back, and we're gonna bring our right hand in front, left hand to the side and push down. We're gonna alternate like so. And let's do it. Down, alternate with your left hand in front, right hand on the side, push it down. Now right hand in front, left hand to the side, push it down, just like so. Holding the squat and making sure you keep that nice straight posture. If you need to relax your shoulders, just shake it out and bring it back down again. If you need to relax your legs, stand up and go again. Way past the halfway point because now we're 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up straight, shake the legs out. Now we're gonna do some high fives. So bring it back and do an air high five. Bring it back, air high five, put it back on your waist. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Right side, bring it back, air high five, bring it down. Bring it back, air high five, bring it down. Whew. And remember to breathe. Halfway there. Hey, guess what? 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double high five. All right, we're gonna do something chilled now. We're gonna waddle on the spot. So hands next to our hips, and we're gonna waddle back and forth, keeping our legs nice and straight. And waddle. Keeping it nice and straight, rocking side to side. Just like a penguin. I can't believe like penguins have such awkward ways to walk, but they swim so fast. All right, halfway there. Hey, guess what? 10 more seconds in this round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. All right, now we're gonna touch our knees by clapping them together. So bend down like a little squat and clap your knees. Bend down, clap your knees, remembering to keep that posture nice and straight. 2, 1, bend down, clap your right leg. Bend down, clap your left leg. Remember to keep that posture. I don't want you doing this. Keeping that straight posture. If it helps, sit back as you clap your knees. Ten more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're gonna do some one-arm hugs. So grab the air person and bring it close. Grab the hair person, bring it close. All right, final round. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach out, bring it close. Reach out, bring it close. Right, left, right, left. Bob down if you want, but you can also just do this as well. But the more movement you do, the better, because we're way past the halfway point now in the final round. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big hug. Yeah, we did it. That's awesome. So remember that challenge. If you can do it and you're able in your area, go outside and go for a tiny little walk so you can add on to these 5-minute workouts, because the more you move, the better it gets. All right, hope you liked that video. Follow me by hitting the subscribe button for more workout videos. They're gonna be coming out almost non-stop. Here, hit the like button and leave a comment below about how you felt, or if you have any future suggestions for our videos, because creativity is what makes us fun. All right, I'll catch you all in the next video. Goodbye.